A few final touches to complete your app. Firstly, set your app name and web address. In your checklist, click Choose App Name and Domain. Give your app a clear name and short description. Enter a support email your users can reach out to. Pick a URL. This is where your app will live online. By default, your app is launched, but you can select Not Launched if you want to keep it private for now. Then click Save. Now, the legal stuff. Back in the checklist, click Update Terms of Use. It's what users agree to when they sign up to use your app. So yes, it's important. Even if it's not thrilling, add your terms to keep things clear, fair, and lawyer-approved. Return to the checklist for your big moment. It's time to invite users to your app. Let's say you're launching a customer portal. Start by inviting your first client. Click Invite Users to your app. Enter their email, name, and a personal message. Since you are inviting your customer to use this app, make sure to assign the customer role to this email address. Then click Send Invite. In this video, you learned how to name your app and pick a web address for your app, update the terms of service, and invite users to use your app. Your app is ready to dazzle. You've built a fully functioning, AI-powered experience your customers will love. No tech team needed.